And I know a lot of you guys are looking to really go and capitalize on content, on building your own profitable personal brands this year. And so, well, what is it going to take, right? And that's what a lot of you guys are wondering. And so let's get into it, right? Let's chop it up around this a bit. I have helped 2,500 plus founders over the last year do exactly this. And I really think there's a way to go and build a profitable personal brand without being the bottleneck. And so I'm going to give you some pointers that I wish someone had told me when I was getting going, the kind of stuff that are the insider tips that I don't think many people talk about. So we're about to get into that right now. Along the way, if you have questions, you're welcome to go and drop them in the stream. Obviously, the intention of doing all this is really just to be insanely generous, help you guys out, and to hop on here with some fellow founders, chop it up, and to be of service. So let's get into it. So first things first, okay? You got to have an awesome offer if you're going to try and build something profitable. And so for many of you, you have an established offer, you're rocking and rolling, you're ready to get selling. And the key thing then is having the right infrastructure behind it all. And so what do I mean by infrastructure? Well, typically you'll go and you'll have your actual audience on a given platform, and you have an offer over here, but you're missing this middle layer. And that's what the infrastructure is. Now, what I mean specifically is across your social, every single day, you should have call to actions that are going out. Those call to actions will lead people to go and buy from you eventually, right? More probably, they may lead people to things like lead magnets, joining your newsletter, where they can then get nurtured more. And when it makes sense, go and convert to your thing. And so as an example here, I'm just sharing my screen. Can you guys see my screen all right, hopefully? I think so. So here you can see on my Instagram as an example, I have, 960K followers here, and we have different call to actions in the content, right? So this is me, snowboarding just yesterday here in Niseka. And, in a given post like this, right? Everything changed when I built strong systems. You can see it goes through a bunch of value, right? And then at the end of this, I say I've put my 21 best profit systems in a free course. And then people can go and message me 21. And when they do that, they go and get funneled into ManyChat, which grabs their email, has them join my email list, where then when it makes sense, that person may go and join Founder OS, which is the community of founders that I've built, helping them grow a profitable personal brand, remove themselves from operations so they have a business that runs itself. Okay. And so that is just one example of the infrastructure behind the content that will actually go and drive sales. So you can monetize, but in a way that's not salesy, because I'm not just saying, oh, go buy this thing. Instead, it's using call to actions where I give something free away, right? That then go and allow me to capture the email. Because as you may know, right? Email is statistically proven to convert about 28 times better than social media. And secondly, with an email, right? You own that audience, and your email list in any given business is generally your most valuable asset because you own that email list. And so you don't own Instagram, that's Zuck, you don't own X, right? But through effective call to actions, you can go and drive people, right, to actually joining your email list where then you can convert them. So similarly here on X, right, grown this organically to about 390,000 followers. And you'll see throughout my content, I put a video out like this. This is a recent video we launched on YouTube where I was helping Sam Colder, a big creator on YouTube with over 1 million subs with his business. And you can see over here, I drive people then to get my offer stack pyramid. When we open up this, which I think you guys can see all this, right? Okay. You can see that I drive people to this offer stack pyramid over here. People put in their first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then they get the offer stack pyramid. Okay. I featured this in the video. Now people can get it for free in exchange for me getting their email. So the cool thing is then in the emails that I send out every single week to my email list, at some juncture, someone may be interested in helping, getting help growing their profitable personal brand, getting access to the 180 systems inside of FounderOS, getting access to Aria, which is our custom AI that we've built, trained on over 600 of my private systems, right? And be able to get access to me every single week, my C-suite, over 50 calls, over 800 other people in the community. And so they join, they get all that, right? But they learn about that inside of my email list, right? And so this leads me to the next thing, right? Which is many people are trying to build a profitable personal brand online, right? And you don't want to be salesy, right? And you don't want to sell your soul, right? By putting out a bunch of stuff that feels kind of dirty, right? And feels like you just are selling people constantly. The truth is though, you don't have to do that though, right? There are ways to be insanely generous online. And this is one of the core principles I have and that I make sure that people around me embody, right? Because I think it's the best way to build a profitable personal brand in 2026. So let me explain. Insanely generous means that you're giving away free things in exchange for emails, and you're playing the long game with your audience. Because one of the most powerful forces in humanity is reciprocity. This idea that if you give, eventually someone's going to want to go and join if you're doing great work. And so what you're trying to do is go and put out amazing content, right? Drive people to free things that you give away to them, and then nurture people in your email list, driving them eventually to either a sales call, if that's how you sell folks, or just to a landing page where they can purchase. And that being how you then go and monetize. So people's general impression of you is just that you're being generous, right? You're just giving and giving and giving, right? And it's from all that giving, right, that you're able to go and create more of a movement, because people are going to go and share the content with others. They're going to share your resources with others. So you're growing the general pool of people that you're helping. And sure enough, there's always going to be a solid sliver of those folks that want to go deeper and get your help with implementation, get your mentorship, go and join your community, belong to something bigger, go and get more help, more support, more hands-on access. And so they're going to go and take the plunge and take the leap, right? Because in any given community, right, there's going to be a large portion of people that are real action takers, the kind of people that don't just want to watch content, don't just want a free resource. They understand that to get real, results, impact, make a difference, really get the growth they're after, they need to go and be part of something more serious, right? They need to go and take the plunge and be inside of something where it's more focused and, they're getting the support that they need.